The smartphone industry is about to experience its biggest revolution since the original iPhone. Our team has obtained exclusive footage of the 2025 Tesla Pi phone undergoing real-world testing, and it's packing 3 groundbreaking features that will make every current smartphone look like ancient technology overnight. From Starlink 3.0 connectivity that eliminates the need for SIM cards entirely to XAI integration that's light years ahead of current smartphone assistants, and most shockingly, brainwave authentication that could replace fingerprints and Face ID forever, this device isn't just innovative, it's terrifyingly advanced. But how do these features actually work in practice? And more importantly, how will they completely transform the way we use smartphones going forward? Stay locked to this video because today we're revealing absolutely everything there is to know about these game-changing technologies. And if you're the type of person who lives for early access to the most explosive Tesla leaks, make sure to smash that subscribe button and obliterate the notification bell to become part of our growing. You're surely the beginning of something truly earth-shattering. 1. Brainwave authentication, the end of fingerprint scanners and Face ID as we know them. The most controversial and potentially revolutionary leak surrounding the Tesla Pi phone involves its rumored Neuralink-inspired brainwave authentication system that could completely replace traditional biometric security methods. According to multiple verified industry insiders with direct knowledge of the project, the device will incorporate between 8 to 12 ultra-precise EEG, electroencephalogram, sensors strategically positioned around the phone's frame that can detect and interpret the user's unique neural patterns with unprecedented accuracy, essentially allowing you to unlock your phone using nothing but your thoughts. This represents a quantum leap in mobile security, moving beyond physical authentication methods like fingerprint scanners, which have a 1 in 50,000 false acceptance rate, and facial recognition systems, with their 1 in 1 million false acceptance rate on premium devices, to something far more personal and potentially secure. Here's exactly how this groundbreaking technology works. During initial setup, users will undergo a brief 3 to 5 minute training process where they'll mentally focus on unlocking their device multiple times to establish their unique brainwave signature. The system then uses advanced machine learning algorithms to recognize this specific neural pattern with an estimated false acceptance rate as low as 1 in 10 million. Authentication happens at blinking speed, just 0.3 seconds, which is approximately 40% faster than today's fastest fingerprint sensors, 0.5s, and significantly quicker than facial recognition systems, 0.8s. Unlike current biometric systems that fail in poor lighting or with wet fingers, this works flawlessly in complete darkness, with gloves on, or even if your hands are soaking wet. For millions of smartphone users, especially seniors and those with physical disabilities, this could be life-changing technology. Imagine, no more struggling with fingerprint sensors that don't recognize aging or dry skin. No more awkwardly positioning your face for facial recognition systems. No more forgotten passcodes or complex password requirements. Just think about unlocking your device, and it instantly recognizes your intention. At its rumored $379 price point, less than half the cost of premium flagship devices, this single feature alone could make the Pi phone the most disruptive device to hit the smartphone market in over a decade. The question isn't whether this technology will change the industry, it's whether competitors can possibly catch up. 2. Starlink 3.0 connectivity. Why this could make SIM cards and cellular carriers obsolete. While the brainwave authentication is shocking enough, the Pi phone's second revolutionary feature might have even more far-reaching consequences for the entire telecommunications industry. Multiple independent reports now confirm that the device will feature direct integration with SpaceX's Starlink 3.0 satellite network, allowing it to completely bypass traditional cellular infrastructure and connect directly to Musk's growing constellation of over 4,400 low Earth orbit satellites. This means truly global coverage, The ability to make calls, send messages, and access high-speed internet from literally anywhere on the planet, including the middle of oceans, remote wilderness areas, and regions that currently have zero cellular coverage. Lightning-fast speeds. Starlink 3.0 offers download speeds up to 330 megabits per second compared to Starlink 2.0's 200 megabits per second, with latency as low as 18 to 20 milliseconds, performance that actually rivals modern 5G networks. And no more roaming fees. Since the connection comes directly from satellites rather than local carriers, users could enjoy seamless worldwide coverage without any international fees. Disaster-proof. Maintains 85% connectivity even during severe weather events that would normally knock out cellular service. Perhaps most importantly, this technology could save users a staggering $1,300 plus annually by eliminating traditional cellular plans entirely. With approximately 3.8 billion people worldwide still lacking reliable internet access, the implications are profound. 3. XAI integration. How Tesla's AI assistant will make Siri and Google Assistant look primitive. The third and final game-changing feature of the Pi phone comes from its deep integration with XAI, Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company that's quietly been building some of the most advanced AI systems on the planet. While Apple's Siri and Google Assistant still struggle with basic commands, typically operating with 175 to 200 milliseconds response latency and about 65 to 72% accuracy on complex requests, the Pi phone's AI assistant will be powered by a $700 million dedicated AI data center in Atlanta, 12,448 cutting-edge NVIDIA GPUs, including 11,000 top-tier H100 processors. Neural networks trained on some of the largest datasets ever assembled. The result? An AI assistant that achieves 85 to 93% accuracy on complex commands, responds in just 65 to 80 milliseconds, making conversations feel natural, learns your habits and preferences with 78% prediction accuracy after just 72 hours of use. Imagine a smartphone that automatically remembers where you parked your car, detects when you're struggling to read small text and offers to zoom, monitors your health patterns and can flag potential issues, explains complex features in plain language without confusing jargon. This isn't just another smartphone. It's quite possibly the most advanced piece of consumer technology ever created. The bottom line: the 2025 Tesla Pi phone doesn't just represent an incremental upgrade. It's a complete paradigm shift in what smartphones can do. With its 1. Mind-blowing brainwave authentication. 2. Carrier-disrupting satellite connectivity. 3. Industry-leading AI capabilities. This device has the potential to completely redefine our relationship with mobile technology. The only question that remains: are you ready for this future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you trust brainwave scanning security? Is a SIM-less future exciting or terrifying? And most importantly, will this be enough to make you switch from your current phone? If you enjoyed this world-exclusive look at the future of smartphones, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next explosive tech reveal. Because trust me, this is just the beginning of the smartphone revolution.